I've received hundreds and hundreds of emails from women who applied the respect message to their sons and it blew them away. Mothers have said it was life-changing. Another said, my relationship with my son improved overnight. These things have put a smile on my son's face that I've never seen. Mothers love to love. It's within their nature to nurture. Mothers are always loving and hugging on their children and their boys in particular, but at age 4 and on, they begin to see the little boy now becoming less of that precious little baby, and they're still loving on him, but not all of the sons are responding in the same way as when he was 2 and 3. And so she begins to think, am I not doing this right? How should I approach my son? Well, we began to help mothers apply the respect message, and they began to write telling me what happened. And we unpack in this book all of the ways that you can apply what I call the respect message. There's respect talk, there are respect actions, it's the respect effect. We want you to look at this because we deal with the ages and stages, whether he's older, whether he's younger, and we explain to you how to do this. Your son has a need that you can meet. What we've come to as a culture is we've coached fathers on how to love their daughters, but we've not coached mothers on how to meet the need a boy has to feel respected for who he is. This is what the Mother-Son book is all about.
Personally, I think I would have been a better mother to sons had I applied this respect message early on. As mothers and grandmothers, women, it is never too early and never too late to begin applying this respect message. Boys are never too young and never too old. Trust me, I know.